Hi folks, welcome to our course on hands-on web development with Django framework and Aiohttp. This is the first lesson and today we will deal with the important part. But first, let's identify a plan that we will keep in our project. By the way, at the bottom left you can see a link to my GitHub. This can be useful for checking your code with mine because there you will find a specially created repository with the code of this course, and you cannot watch this course to the end, but simply go to the source and use it as you like, because the source code is distributed across JPL3. So, what is a secret node service? In fact, it's a service that allowed you to create some nodes that can be viewed one time and after that they're automatically deleted from the service. Great example of such a service is privenode.com. I recommend that you play with it because we will develop a similar service. The only difference is that our service will be focused on Telegram's bot. So let's go. In this course we will use a stack of the following technologies. First, Django framework, most popular Python framework for web development. Next we will use Django REST framework, it's a library for making REST API platforms. Next it's a Aiohttp, it's a great framework for asynchronous input-output processing. The next one it's a Pyrogram. It's an awesome Python library for connecting and using Telegram API with our project. By the way, Pyrogram allows you to interact not only with bots, but also we can automate our personal accounts. It's awesome. And in the end we will use Docker to containerize our project. So, today we will directly develop our service for secret nodes, and first of all we need to make sure that we have all of dependencies for our project installed. So let's get it in the next lesson. See ya!